everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette, and on this channel my dad and I share our ideas for plant-based foods, and I'm a nurse, so I also share some wellness and well-being tips here too. Today's video was one that was requested by one of my viewers. I'm going to show you how I make my Bircher Muesli, so hopefully it'll be a nice quick video for you. Let me apologize for any background noise you're going to hear. The dishwasher is running, the kitchen's a disaster. It's going to be a disaster until I'm done with this cookbook. But my goal anyways is to have the cookbook draft done by the end of August and then take September to put together a really nice end product. Hopefully I'll have it ready for release sometime in the beginning of October, but like I said, it takes as long as it takes. I want it to be good, but I'm hoping for the fall for its release. A little background on Bircher Muesli. From what I've read, it was developed by a Swiss physician right around the early 1900s or so, and I believe it was created initially as an appetizer. It's commonly eaten today as a breakfast food, but the original recipe that I saw had 1 tablespoon of oats that were soaked in water, and then things like lemon juice, grated apple, nuts and seeds, berries, dried fruit, cream, and honey were commonly added to it. Today, like I said, it's more like a breakfast item and has taken on many different variations over the years. So people make it lots of different ways, and I'm going to show you how I do mine. I like mine soaked in the refrigerator overnight, but some people will eat this right when they make it fresh, so that's a personal preference. But I like the texture of the oats after they get to soak in some plant-based milk and yogurt overnight. Makes them nice and creamy and is a nice contrast to the nuts and seeds that I put on it. So let me show you how I throw it together. I typically make these in a small mason jar like this, or you could do it in any container that you want. And I usually add about 1/3 cup of rolled oats. I find that if I use more than that with the apple, I tend to get really full from these. So 1/3 cup is good for me, but use however much you like. And then I add a little bit of cinnamon just to taste. And I like to add about 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds into my overnight oats. And then I like to add some sort of dried fruit. These happen to be currants, but you could use raisins or any other kind of fruit that you like. And then I add a spritz of lemon juice. It also helps to prevent the apple from browning. Then I have just a simple box grater, and I find these little apples at the store. They fit right in the hand. They're very cute, and I just grate one of these up with the peel and put that into the jar of oats. And then I like to add my plant-based milk. This is soy milk. I use about 3/4 cup for 1/3 cup of oats. You could use any kind of plant milk that you like. And this is plant-based yogurt, about 1/4 cup. Then I give everything a mix. Put the lid on and put it into the refrigerator overnight to set. The next morning, I just top mine with some nuts and seeds. I make my own little medley with some pumpkin and sunflower seeds, pecans, almonds, and walnuts, along with some fresh blueberries. So I am still getting the crunch of the apple in this, even though this sat in the refrigerator overnight. And coupled with the nuts and seeds, that crunchiness is a nice contrast to the silkiness of the oats. I'm getting a fresh burst of blueberry and the slightest hint of lemon, and we know that blueberry and lemon go really well together. So flavor-wise, I think this is a really balanced and delicious breakfast. So I'm gonna enjoy this here in a few minutes, but if you guys make Bircher Muesli, drop me a line down below. Let me know what variations you do to make your muesli. And if you plan on giving this a try and you do, let me know how it turns out. All right, that's it for today. I'm gonna sign off, enjoy my breakfast. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.